Hello Ghana for you akwabaeɖ by inside GH. Yes, abusia Misball eba Okomfo Black ana H0T Akuapem Poloo ababɛkyerɛ na adwen ɛde afa ne commenter o make fa ɛyɛ Nyankopɔn ho. Saa so ana H0T Abena Korkor ɛyɛ ne naked videos a ne nam bonten so ne nam social media no so no. Abusia Akuapem Poloo akyerɛ na adwen afa ho a ɛnya asɛm ketewa kora bɛkɔ na yakwakuti mu nkyerɛmu ye but make sure so be di kan ɛmia subscribe button no mi abɛw na ɛwɔ nkyɛn no like video no so bia ɛnya kama pa. Yes, Misball ba Okomfo Black eba bonten ema H0T obɛkyerɛ na adwen fa Nyankopɔn ho interview ana H0T ɔyɛ ɛna ekubusa ne sɛ hwan ɛna ɛbɔ no abofra no kyerɛ ma ne maame na ɛbɔ no H0T ɔkanse bebre na ɛde fa Nyankopɔn ho say ɔngye Nyankopɔn endi na awusua Kristofo ɛna H0T asofo ni bi wɔ kroma ma H0T ɔma no ti abofra di abofra atem ma H0T bi krampo ɛso Misball so ɛnumu ana H0T Akuapem Poloo akɔkɔyɛ interview ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kingdom FM ɔne ɛyɛ Fifi Prat ana Fifi Prat ekubusa no ɛyɛ Misball eba no ho nsɛm sɛ asɛm na abofra ne kan no ɔdwene ho sɛ abofra ne kan yi anaasɛ wanka ne yi
me take about what he sat down to say no what is say in the system no sɛ yɛ kɔ no emu bio sɛ na sɛ first yɛ diagro na yɛ sɛ na sɛ nkola ne diagro nia na yɛ nim that time no ɛno na nkola ne nim this time and they think ahead obeka cha nkola sɛ me nhwe wei na o should say never yo on no nim that you know I don't think he was just expressing what he feels he feels and I don't think Zakula no yakola or yakola's naji maybe looking at the way he was talking and he's very outspoken yeah so all that I'm saying is we people should just get close to him rather and get some knowledge from him. Yes. Wow. Yes. Because
I saw for the and get to
yeah, they should get close to their child and get some knowledge. Yeah.
Because now you might be a child of one baby.
If you look at the way let's take it as if sending mamma catching Zomeka. Sending mamma catching Zomeka and call to me ratoon ditto. I'm telling you. So this is coming from the child and he knows what he was saying. I'm not saying me I know God created me. It has been God because aside God I don't have anybody else. I don't know anywhere else. Anytime I pray to God, sisi ase me ho chimi na me komi kotojo enim na me bonya me dia 2 days 3 days no me nya me answer. Se bibi e come me side na ma bonya me dia me bra ko sita ma me bondi. So I believe and trust in Allah, which is God. But akwala no when you what's not senior maybe awehu. It is Sisiano. We have to get close to the child to know why he talked that way, why he said all that he said.
Eti will be better than say the way I walk as it means say you get too close to the child that it means akwala no na dwi mo bi eche asofo mpedimfo no bebre because I've suffered and they are attacking.
I'm attacking because of senior mean but the way they are going about things, that's not how they have to go about it. Let's take it all count, but he's still a color.
It is some no kind, you know. Who say?
It's a no
crema.
Oh, a bit no cre. That is why I said, oh, yeah, color.
Okay.
So all that they needed to do is, if you think what he's saying is wrong, get closer to him. Don't come on radio and be pouting like a child. You see, say, obodanfo a boas no jania usu sanya why naked na the boas usu be pa ho ntoma a jania dinechi squad partner radio so no can sem what's it fair and I get close to him, help mommy to nurture him because I don't think what he said mommy asked him to say that.
So abusia no ana yekoti a H0T Akuapem Poloo kyerɛ na adwen sɛ asofo no mo attack Misball Okomfo Black no nyane kwa so no no wo sɛ nkomo ehu so yɛ akola usa nyoma bebre wa onim intika at least wo sɛ asofo wi mu ana H0T mo twe eben abofra Okomfo Black na omo busebusa no na H0T ono so kyerɛ di ntia ama okasa na sɛ do ma betena social media so di abofra na tem de eno entwa ye kura na wei ana H0T Fifi Prat ko busa na sɛ na wo ba wankasa Akuapem Poloo no ba pene se one eye mesbebo Okomfo Black ndi agro na sa so ana che se eye ensem bi efri eye Okomfo Black school mu eba se ne nanfofo ni bi ma menom ese hwe na omone eye Okomfo Black ndi agro no che se eno so odwene ho se na adwenkyere ni.
Oh yes, let me mama ba chief ndi agro because I know my son. And they are all from different homes and we both think differently. The way I think is different from the way you think.
Okay.
Let me know the agro. Sorry. I have a friend who smoke weed. I've moved with her for so many years, but I don't smoke weed.
But to me, unim say obi to me as a sound doctrine.
What is doctrine?
Like obi be to me a man or no nijidi or cancer.
Never. It's you. You are not a thief. You will never be a thief. Nobody can change your mind to be a thief.
But is he?
Oh, let me tell you. Then the person want to be a thief.
Dada. Okay.
Yes. So, me person me num read that. Nothing will let me take it.
But what you say, Miss Bell, the better one, say, ne banu school, Okomfo Black school, and friends, Emma, me no ma catch, your friends, the balance of Omo Masse, Momone, Okomfo Black in Diago. What?
You know, it's human. It's human nature. I quite remember when I used to do the half naked pictures and things. When I was loud, I went to H0T, wanted to rent. When I got there, I met the man first, the husband of the woman. So we spoke everything, and Yesha said, in 4 days' time, I should bring the money. The day I was going to pay for the money, the wife was in the house. The first day I went, the children were happy. They've seen Polo. The next day I was going to pay the money, that the money was ready. The woman called the husband inside again. And whatever happened, the man came back and said, the wife said, I'm not healthy for the children in the house because meanwhile in person, you've never seen me wearing short before. When you invited me to polo party so many years, me buy me share jeans and me polo. Me share short skirt. You will never meet Polo anywhere in short. I me fear po who be some landlord. Matana me fear 5 years ni. Say me were bad influencer. My landlord obuni hopa. Or kwa brochini adi. Or properties or family. Matana fear 5 years. If I'm bad, he will not allow me. I can 1 year ni do ya. Sometimes me from us say, "Ni na mfuni timi bisan eh." Na sa kola we timi ni tene fear. So timi stress ah. That is it. You know, a human the way we think. You know, say kola ebinumu say ima omumbani Okomfo and Diagra. Is their own opinion. That I know the girl, the little boy is brave and he know how to carry himself. And I don't think that thing is going to bring him down. That boy knows what he's doing.
And to you know, not some no car say ne mama ne create no. And I say ne mama ne born no.
He's a child.
Baby just say who feel say as some no car on a mistake, yeah?
He's a child. To me, I know God created everyone. But he's talking as a child. Because ni mama na wo ni ba wiase.
Enti Ghana fo nyina fa ne so ya
kola. Ni mama na wo no. We hu se nyame bi spirit bi abegina say, "Shh, I brought you." He is talking in a way say, "Me mama na wo me." It no true me mama na mama hu wiase. It no bore me. It takes mommy Miss Bell to talk to him. For him to know who created him and mommy. Yeah, that nice is one. It. Yeah.
So busiano ana chese akwakutia chese Akuapem Poloo chirema ono de obeti ase se eye Okomfo Black ne ba endi agwa nyade ane ba ne bitimi asesa da ebra one eye Okomfo Black edi eye agro na se Okomfo Black bitimi asesa ne ba na adwene de ne ba ne gidi no eno ano bekoso agi edi sa so ana chese o chiremu na abusia eye asofo no mudi na tem omudi Okomfo Black atem so no sorry eye Akuapem Poloo akere na adwen ede afa ho sa so na eye Ghana fo ni bia chese omutu ombafo se hwe no mo ne mesboba no endi agro no eno so wa akere na adwen afa ho a oso watibi oso betima akere wa adwen o comment section na bibia aye kama pa eni diem message so be me subscribe to no me abo na ewo nche like video no so na bibia enye kama yes abusua Abena Korkor enioma etwagu social media so ba bonten ababeka se wo two suspect ho kyese sa suspect yi mu no NDC for ana kyese Ghana Police Service no peni ba akososo wo ha kyese omo Joshua Kamba ana kyese Deputy Director for Cyber Crime Unit of Ghana Police Service no ono ana kyese sankofo mienu wi ana wa send sa videos yi akwa omo kyese omo ana kyese omo ye ne suspect abusuya actually no na Abena Korkor sa ba bonten ebe make some post bia na order kyese am passe one Joshua Kamba ewo yonko fada dada emra ne lawyer eba bonte beka se nansinya krampo ana kyese Joshua Kamba enim Abena Korkor abusuya Akuapem Poloo so ababeche na adwen kyese waka na adwen e de afa nyoma etwagu owo social media ho e de fa Abena Korkor
bakoka wo baby say unya yanka ya chi Abena Korkor atum
hey I want to surprise mommy
me yes me bisa yes wakoka wo baby sa waka ana wo plan no
say yanchini ntu
unya yanka ya chi na tum because nude na epiepie no say ya chi watum dada
and you so waka but some say me yanka ya chi me atum
but waka bibisa na say wo tim say unya yanka ya yanchini ntum
me I don't wish people down for, but so far as we have law in Ghana so far as we have law they can, if anyone is close to it, they can sit her down and put things right.
And the young class say won't cook baby. I say
no, me cook baby. I say one shilling too more, and she knows it. Okay. I'm not cook me meeting that, but she's a beautiful woman.
Open us him.
I like her, but I don't like things she do.
Okay, into the cook as a woman. What's your take? As
a woman, it's not good, but she already said that she has a little bit problem with them, with the mind. And men, as men, I'm not saying if you love someone, you help her. To say me say, open my sema now open me. Now person me join me on social media. You push me with a business, a shop.
Okay.
That will keep me busy, so that I don't come on social media to do some things. It may be Abena Korkor no. You should know her problem. You go to support her, not to be opportunist. Because you think Abena Korkor dey make free me to escabebre or me born hoka. Yes, some people mind will be like that. So if you try to be outsmart her, she will let you know that she is wise.
Now, my problem back on say why say a man no afanesi was say sab
because they think she's not correct. They think she doesn't know.
It's almost take
advantage of her. So she will show you. She's a woman. She's a woman. She obodan for that kind. E krapono. So obama ne da. O hu se be man me ada. O nyinsen said da. O abodamo. Nyinsen said da. Obe woman kura ne be ya papa. So you should know that Abena Korkor nye bodan for. The bipolar will go and come. A day will come, she will be steady. And when she's steady and she's telling you, this thing you promised me you do for me. I'm not saying something like that. This thing you promised me you do for me, you didn't do it. If you don't do it, or on your wiser, I can be better. Daddy, whatever it is, I don't know it's a Abena Korkor because I didn't see her face, but I only saw the man's face.
One video.
There's some video circulating.
Wow.
That they say it's Abena Korkor. I didn't see her face, so I can't sit here and say it's Abena Korkor. But if it's Abena Korkor, you say she didn't show her face. She only showed the man and her body. That should tell you that Abena Korkor is wise. When she was doing that thing, she was never a bipolar. The bipolar wasn't around when she was doing the video sex with the person. So everybody in this country should know that when she is doing whatever she do, she knows what she is doing. Until the bipolar will come and she will post it. Yes. So bit baby, I want to make me boa because that following dream say, me you be here phone way into me screen recording that should be obey hurting me na me go against him or her. So Bema will call Abena Korkor. Don't take her say with Jimmy on Jimmy. And you go because she's beautiful. So when you go, treat her right, treat her good, and she will never bring you anything out there.
Do you think say Radia Domness or whatever Biana handing in no say a cha? Nessa any bad hoswa, a bear affecting the career. That's who sad the video is in here. They affect no.
I don't think it will affect her career. I don't think because those times no, she was sick. And a lot was going on in her life. Now I think some people should call her. You don't have to leave her alone.
Okay.
Her so here pain be whatever it is. I don't know if the bipolar cannot be healed or they can't treat it.
It can be cured.
It can be cured. So why is that these ministers and these people? You say you are scared of Poloo, but you are not scared of Abena Korkor. You are scared of Poloo, but you are not scared of Abena Korkor.
Meaning Poloo, the on video be about.
Oh, how would I go and have sex? Have you heard it before?
Never.
No.
It's so moment they are scared about you.
They are scared. So why is that when you go to Abena Korkor, you do what is right because you know, say one shey na same sia or the baby beto. Oh no, I started posting nakedness na yen.
That they to the member no so mo kono so fad real conscious and fan call like.
That is it. And I catch on say they shouldn't take care for granted.
It's that just as you see and Ghana member no more yines one of them say oh yeah.
Do you know how many videos? Do you know how many videos with this video I've seen? I will say that she has a lot. And some men took advantage. They thought she was not correct, so they were using her. And when these girls strike, you'll be shocked. If you look at this deputy on she has released, that should tell you that when she strike, nobody should take her for granted. Whatever she deserves, she's a woman and she's correct. She's building her life. So don't do things and take her, use her for free. That is it.
So we have now consensus my YouTube social media so na Akuapem Poloo so actually na adwen e dey afan wo sem mema na mo ma adwen some take advantage over Abena Korkor ne situation say oyare say wo bipolar ne ade no chese o se mo mama mo ninda ho na Abena Korkor onim de oye pa se ne yare ne ba ana chese dwumadia oni na di ne bosha wo share no se wandi so a na se ono so aba be drop videos na chese o de gu ani ma se ne ade ntie no ana yekoti ba ya chese Akuapem Poloo so akere na adwen e de afa Abena Korkor nsensema ekoso e wo social media no so ana chese Mesbel ba Okomfo Black nsensema etwagu no so no wa kere na adwen afa ho no so wakonya se obetima akere wa adwen e wo comment section ho na bibia aye kama ha inside GH. Any DM so me subscribe button na me bell na one channel. Mesro so me subscribe button na bell no notification bell no ehu hia me pa. Umia so a emre bia me post story bia no also betimi enya bi e wo phone so anase wo machine so na chese wo so wa hwe na bibia aye kama pa. Obetimi follow ye e wo Facebook, Instagram, Twitter ana chese YouTube ani na chese bibia no obo Insight GH ubenya na bibia aya kama pa aha ana mdusi nyakupo nshwa na onya okese sa wojimbre na okam makraw